FSB, CIA. Do you think a KGB agent would kill someone against international law if they were ordered to do so? So we talked about...
They did. They did. And there's a famous case of one, but I think it's Vasily Kuklov, who defected. He was a killer. He was a trained killer, and he had done assassinations in other countries. He was sent to West Germany to kill a defector, a KGB defector, and he decided not to do it. He talked to the guy and he said, "I'm supposed to kill you. I'm not." And then he eventually wound up in the United States. I have a connection to this fellow because the KGB once asked me to go to California and see if the guy still lives and works there. And I found him, and we looked at each other. So there was an active KGB agent looking at a man that he didn't know was the KGB defector, looking at each other. Neither one knew who the other one was. I found out later.
But he was able to survive.
Yes. And, there have been assassinations, not a lot. And, that
we know of.
A good point.
This is very difficult. The question is, how many lines are intelligence agencies willing to cross to achieve the goal?
I think none of these agencies have the ultimate line. I think eventually the last line will be crossed if they believe it's necessary.
Well, I think you can justify a lot of things, especially in this modern world with nuclear weapons, that you can justify that you're saving the world, actually.